What's up, guys? On this video, we're going to be very quick because I want us to be able to trade a strategy which I've taught you guys live, which is the GUORB strategy, the Godlove University Open Range Breakout Strategy. And since this is 9 a.m. in South Africa, the London session just opened, and we already have a trade up and running. And I want us to be able to take a couple of trades, and within the day, I'm going to keep you guys updated on how I'm able to manage the trade. If we can come on Trading View, you'll be able to see we have this indicator on our screen. You can see here it says the London. If I can zoom out, you see here it says London, Tokyo, New York, London, Tokyo, New York. So we are only trading. You know, the strategy is simple. The Godlove University Open Range Breakout Strategy is simple. We are only trading at the start and at the open and at the close of major market sessions. And why are we trading at the open, at the close of major market session? We are not gambling. We know what we are doing in the sense that at the start and at the close of major market sessions, we used to have a lot of volatility, which is due to major market participants coming into the game. Even psychological reason, many people will be taking their take profits at that particular point. Some other people will be entering into the game. So because of that, it tends to be able to do what? To create a lot of volatility at that particular point. So we want to be able to capitalize on that volatility at the start and at the close of major market sessions. So the first currency pair we have here is XAU-USD, which is gold. And this one, as always, we're going to go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So you can see here, this was the London candle right here. This is the London candle right here. So before the London candle is open, the market just opened, we put our sell stop and our buy stop just before the candle before the London market candle, so that the London market will open, and wheresoever volatility goes, we want to go with the trend. All right, so that's why you see we had our sell stop here and our buy stop here. And as we speak, if we go on our 103,000 prop firm account, because we already made $3,000 on this account using the same strategy, I recorded it the other day, and I wanted us to continue on this account until we hit 10% and pass phase one using just the same strategy. All right, so that is it on our screen. We are already in profit of almost about 5. It's still fluctuating, but we are already in the sell, because if you can go here on Trading View, you can see our sell stop is already triggered. That is it. Our sell stop is already triggered. Go back to MetaTrader 5. You can see we are already in profit of almost about $200. This is our take profit right here. Our stop loss right here. So let's quickly go on another currency pair. We need to be very fast because remember the market just opened. You need to be able to take your time. We are doing this fast, but in most cases, take your time to set your stops. So let's go here and see what is happening with this one. Okay, so this would have, our buy stop on this one would have been here. Our buy stop would have been by the close of this candle, and our sell stop would have been by the close of this candle. So you see by now, our buy stop has been triggered. So we're going to trade it as if we were there when it was triggered, right? We're going to still enter on this trade on a long. So we're going to enter on a long right here where the market is. Our stop loss is going to be here on, let's risk 10 pips and go for 20 pips, all right? So to calculate the lot size we're going to be using, just go to Lionheart Funding Program Position Size Calculator, go on Tools, and then click on Trading Calculators. You're going to come here where you just select your currency pair. Euro USD should be somewhere. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. I'm just looking for Euro USD is there. Account balance is 103,000, and we're going to be risking 10 pips on this one. So that is it. The lot size we're going to be using here is 10. We're going to be using a 10 lot size because we're just going in for what? For a 10 pips stop loss and 20 pips take profit. So we go back here, we drop it on 15 minutes, and then here, let's just wait for it to load. We're going to just put our lot size 10. We're going to go on a buy. Remember, it was a buy. Boom, that is it. And then we're going to quickly modify. Let's go under modify position. Our stop loss is going to be 10 pips, which is the same as 100 points. Take profit is going to be 20 pips, which is the same as 200 points. Boom, that is it. That is it. You can see that is it right there. Stop loss is right there. Take profit is right there. The same thing you are seeing on what? The same thing you are seeing on Trading View. Let's quickly go to Euro USD. Euro USD should be the same similar thing. All right, same similar thing. We've just triggered our buy stop right there. So we're going to enter again on a long right here. Our stop loss is going to be here, and we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. All right, 1:2 is going to be right there. So we're going to be risking again 10 pips on this one to go for 20 pips. So since this is Great Britain Pound USD and we're just trading Euro USD, it should be a similar what? A similar lot size. So we're going to go back here again and use the same similar lot size, and to be taking time to be calculating it again. So let's go on Great Britain Pound USD, drop this to the 15-minute time frame, put here 10 lot size, and we're going to be quickly buying. I want us to take a total of 5 trades. Since we have a minimum, we have 5% daily drawdown. I don't want us to take more than 5 trades since we're risking 1% per trade. So let's quickly modify our Great Britain Pound USD position. Let's go to modify. Our stop loss is going to be 10 pips, which is the same as 100 points. Take profit is going to be 20 pips, which is the same as 200 points. Boom, that is it. Stop loss is right there. Take profit is right there. So let's go to the next one on our list. Another one I also like taking is USD JPY, since it's negatively correlated with what? It's negatively correlated with Great Britain Pound USD and USD JPY. So in most cases, remember our stop loss was supposed to be here and our buy stop was supposed to be here. So from what we are seeing here, this one would have triggered our buy stop. Remember, this is the candle before 9 a.m. So the 9 a.m. candle would have triggered our buy stop there, and our sell stop would have been there. So we're going to enter on a buy because we don't want to cheat the system. All right, we don't want to cheat the system. We're going to enter on a buy right here. So this is a long position. We're going to enter where the market is as it is. Let's just put risk. Let's risk 18 pips and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So the currency pair here is USD JPY. So USD JPY is right here. We're risking 1% and we win. We're risking 18 pips. So the lot size we're using here is 8.5 lot size. All right, 8.5 lot size. We quickly go here. You can see we're in profit, deep profit right here on the account. So we quickly go to USD JPY. We quickly go here and we put 8.5, and we're going to hit it on the buy. That is it. We quickly modify our position, and then let's go to, let's quickly modify USD JPY. Then after that, we're going to take the last position. I want us to take a maximum of 5 positions, all right? So let's quickly go under modify. Our stop loss is going to be on 18. Remember, 18 pips, which is 180 points. And our take profit is going to be 18 times 2 should be, that's 36, all right? It's going to be 36, which is 360 points. Boom, that's it. So let's just go here so that you guys can see. So we entered here, stop loss is right there, take profit is right there. Remember, we need to drop it on the 15-minute time frame so that you guys can see very well. That's our stop loss, and that's our take profit right there. Voila. So let's go and take the last one on our list. Another one I just like so much is CAD JPY. Let's see CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY would have been triggered as well because remember, this is the candle before the 9 a.m. candle. So our buy stop was supposed to be there and sell stop right here. So we're supposed to be triggered right here. So we're going to enter on a buy on this particular one. That's why I used to say analyze like a pro and execute that like a robot. Don't second guess. According to our strategy, that's what we have to do. We're not guessing, we're not gambling. We're just following what is on our strategy. So we're going to be risking 15 pips on that one. So let's quickly go here. Then we go here. CAD JPY should be, let's go on CAD JPY. All right, CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Okay, this is CAD JPY right here. We're going to be risking 15 pips on that one. Calculate means the lot size. Let's calculate again. We're going to be using a 10 lot size. All right, let's go back here just to confirm. So stop loss, take profit. We're going to be using a 10 lot size on CAD JPY. Can you see? We are deep in profit, guys. Deep in profit. CAD JPY is right here. We drop it to the 15-minute time frame, and then we're going to be using a 10 lot size. And remember, it was a buy, and we quickly modify. We scan JPY, it's right here. We quickly modify our position. We're risking 15 pips, and then we'll go for 30 pips. So this one, I'm just going to add 32 pips just so we can account for the spreads, all right? So that is it, guys. That is it. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. I don't want to have more than 5 positions. Why? Because, you know, in most cases, prop firms like the one I'm using, so I'm actually using Lionheart Funding Program. You can check the link to sign up with Lionheart Funding Program on the video description. You can get funded up to $600,000. So with this prop firm, they have a daily drawdown of 5%. So I don't want to breach that daily drawdown. That's why I took a maximum of 5 trades and I'm risking maximum of 5 trades and I'm risking 1% per trade. Meaning even if all these trades have to go against me, I'll still be safe on that particular account. So you have to always predefine your risks when you're getting on any trade. So we're just going to leave it as it is. You can see we just took the trade. We're already in profit of almost about $100. Most of the positions are in profit, as you can see right there. So we're going to come back after an hour to see what actually happened to our position. So that's the Godlove University open range breakout strategy and how you trade it in real life. So if you are not using a prop firm and you're trading on your private account, then you can open as many positions as you want, particularly positions that are going to be affected by that session. So since we are in the London session now, are we trading mostly the Euro sessions and the Great Britain pound sessions, or the Euro pairs, any pair that has the Euro and any pair that also has a Great Britain pound, since they are all on the London session pairs. All right, so I just wanted to make that clear. But since we are using a prop firm account, I'm going to end it here at a max of 5 trades so we don't breach our daily drawdown if all these trades have to go our way. But we're very, very confident because there's no way they're going to go, all of them are going to go our way because we are almost already up with about 0.5% of our account. So we're going to come back after an hour. Make sure you stay to the end of the video. After about an hour, I'm going to come back just to update you guys on the start of the trade.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. It's been about 4 hours since we lastly placed our trade, and look at what is happening. We are currently standing on $106,700. So we've made almost about $4,000 profit. If you guys can remember, before we started taking our trades in the morning, we were standing on $103,000, and now we are standing on almost $107,000 using only with the 5 trades we placed in the morning. So we're going to be going through my history just so we can see the trades we took and how much we made. All right, so I'm just going to quickly go on my history, and then we're going to go on trading view just so we can see all the trades again. All right, so let's just go on my history, and then I'm going to quickly show you guys what has happened. Right, if you guys can remember, this was the first trade we took, which was a Euro USD, which was a buy, and that one was a loss. So we lost 1% of our account. That's why you can see there minus $1,000. Another trade which was also a loss was gold, which we're going in for a lot of 3. We also lost, it was a sell. We lost that trade and we also lost $1,000. Boom, CAD-JPY was a quick, remember, these are the same lot size we used. CAD-JPY was a buy. That one hit our TP and then we made $2,000. So you see we're going for a risk to reward of 1:2. Every loss we have, we lost $1,000, and for every profit we made $2,000. USD-JPY, quick TP, and we made $2,000. And then, since most of the time, you know, we used to have our sell stop and buy stop. If one is triggered, we can just leave the other one to still be there because the market might reverse and still trigger our other stop. So when our sell stop was triggered, we left our buy stop, and then our buy stop was triggered, and we made 2% of our account. You see, $2,000. So cumulatively, you can see the first trade, we lost $1,000, and the second trade, we made $2,000 with the same currency pair. Can you see what they call risk management at place? Good. So that was that about those few pairs. And then we are standing down on what? We're standing down on $107,000. Let's quickly go on trading view just so you guys can see what has happened. This is the first one on our list, which was CAD-JPY. You can see this was a candle before the 9 a.m. This is the London session that was open right here. So before the London session was open, you can see we already placed our buy stop and sell stop right there, and boom, what happened? You can see that's exactly what happened right there. and we just hit 2% of our account. Even if we were going for 3% on this one, we would have still hit. Can you see that? It went up for almost, but never be greedy when it comes to trading. Don't start asking yourself if we already hit our nice 1:2 risk to reward on that one. Euro USD, which was a loss, you can see our candle was triggered right here, but what happened? Instead of a buy, it was instead a sell. So it didn't go in our favor, so we lost this particular one. USD JPY, this is USD JPY, a very cool win. Or was it a win? Good. This one was triggered right here, which was a nice 1:2 win. All right, so that's it. This was our trigger right here. Our buy stop was triggered right there, which was a nice also 2%. Great Britain Pound USD, this one was a loss because instead of going up, it instead came down, which if we were having our sell stop in place by now, this is what would have happened by now. Let's just go here on the sell. This is what would have happened by now because our stop loss would have been here and would have been going for a risk to reward of 1:2. You see, if we're having our sell stop in place, we would have already hit TP on the sell stop. So we would have lost 1% and made 2%. So at the end of the day, we just made plus 1% of our account, you see. So that's how you can do it. Sometimes you can decide to leave the sell stop. Let's just say if the buy stop is triggered, you leave the sell stop there because the market might just retrace, and then the sell momentum will be the powerful one. So if it's a powerful one, then I lost 1% and I made 2%. You're still going to be making money at the end of the day. Then this one was gold. So gold, this was the first. We still have all the setups right there. The buy setup is just this one right here so that you guys don't get confused. That's our buy setup, the one we hit 1:2, 1:2 reward, the risk to reward of 1:2. Just that one, that's it. All right. So the first one that was a sell, the market triggered us somewhere here on a sell. So we're expecting the market to push down. So it just pushed down for just about 1 arrow, and then you see what happened. This candle push up very, very strongly, trigger our buy stop. You can see exactly right there, and boom, we hit the risk to reward of 1:2. So we lose 1% here and made 2% right here. Can you see that? Very, very clear. And CAD JPY, we've already gone through CAD JPY. You guys saw what happened. Our buy stop was triggered right there. Boom. That's it. That's it. So even if you would have gone and do some backtesting on other pairs, let's do some backtesting on other pairs and see what would have happened. So this one, remember, the London candle break was here. So the candle before the London would have been this one and this one. So this one would have triggered us and it would have been a loss. So it would have been a loss on this one right here. If we were trading the Asian close, it would have been this candle here. So this one would have triggered here. This one would have made some money. Great Britain Pound card, let's see what would have happened. Let's see what would have happened on Great Britain Pound card. Good. You can see this nice setup right here. So this candle, it would have triggered us a sell on this one, which would have been, I think if this candle, if we were very conserved on this one would have hit our stop loss. Although it's those kind of stop losses that you keep beating yourself up because after that, boom, you can see how the market went in our favor. Just continue doing backtesting on a couple of pairs. You can see how the market was swift. You can see how you would have made money just using this simple setup. This is the same thing right here. This one, our sell stop would have been here, buy stop would have been here. You can see our sell stop was triggered right there, stop loss would have been here, take profit on a risk to reward of 1:2, boom, that's it, would have hit. Even if we're going for a risk to reward of 1:3, would have, even 1:2, see, this is the one would have hit even a risk to reward of 1:4. So it just depends on you. But that is it, guys, that is it. The strategy is simple. Let's just say, let's go through the methodology of the strategy again. 9 a.m. for example in South Africa, you need this I can call it a software, this indicator to quickly just show you the market sessions. And even if you don't want to use this indicator, you can still go to Lionheart Funding Program. Let me quickly show you guys this. You can just go to Lionheart Funding Program and then you go to market sessions. The market sessions, you're still going to be able to see the same. Go to Lionheart Funding Program, just click on tools and go to market time zones. Market time zones, you're still going to be able to see the same thing. So you're going to be able to see the exact time the London session is going to be opening, the New York session is going to be opening, the Asian session. You can see as of now, my time is 9 minutes past 2 p.m. and you can see everything on my screen. This is past 2. You can see the time is even moving as we speak. And the session that is open now is the London session, and the New York session just opened. Can you see this? And we are moving to the area where we have the highest volatility in the market. And when there's high volatility, we have high opportunities. So just to confirm now, go to Trading View, you'll be able to confirm the London session just open. Let's just open any pair, or we can delete this, and you'll be able to confirm in few minutes that the New York session, this candle, after this candle, you're going to be confirming very soon, the New York session is going to be coming into place. So that is how you can be able to use this tool. Use any tool that is, any precise tool that will show you what time the market session is opening. It can be any tool, but it has to show you the precise time. So let's just say the market session is opening. Let's just take the London session, for example, 9 a.m. my time in South Africa. So the London, if I'm using the 15-minute time frame, it means the 45-minute candle, which is this candle right here. So the 55-minute candle, as soon as the 55-minute candle closes, all right. So let's just go, for example, here again. So this is the London candle right here. As soon as the London candle closes, that's where you put your sell stop and your buy stop. All right, you'll be able to see London. So once you see there London, as soon as that candle prints, as soon as the candle prints London, and then you wait for it to close, and then you put your sell stop and buy stop. The same thing. Let's just go behind, and you'll be able to see the same thing I'm showing you guys right here. All right, let's just go here. You can see the same thing. London was right here. So our sell stop would have been, here, and our buy stop here. Buy stop would have triggered, would have lost 1%, but sell stop would have triggered and would have made 2% of our account. Very good risk to reward. We wouldn't have complained. The same thing, just go back. We're doing that for both London and New York. New York was right here, would have triggered right here. This candle would have taken us out of the game, but would have still made 2% of our account. You go back again, the London session, this would have been the London candle right here. Buy stop right there, sell stop right there. Boom, even if you are going for a risk to reward of 1:10 on that one, you would have still cashed it, all right? So just come here, go on long would have been there, our stop loss would have been there. So even if you are going for a risk to reward of 1:10, can you see that 1:10, you would mean risking 1% to go for $10,000, you would have, or 1,000 to go for 10,000, you would have still cash it very big on that particular one. That is it. That is it. So go back to your MetaTrader, to your trade. I do the analysis on Trading View, and then I just go on MetaTrader 5 to place my trade. So talking about the prop firm you can use, check out the link below to get funded with Lionheart Funding Program. The reason why I'm choosing Lionheart Funding Program is just the speed in payout processing. If you request your payout, it's going to be processed within 24 hours guarantee. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, check the link below to also enroll in Godlove University. Many of you guys have been asking if Patrex Pro is still working, which is the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot. Yes, Patrex Pro is still working and is doing wonders. So check the link below to also get Patrex Pro, which you can just plug it on your computer, put these settings in, and the robot will still be able to manage your risks, manage money, manage your emotions, and everything for you. Also join my free Telegram, because I've noticed most of you guys are not in my free Telegram. Check out the video which is going to be coming at the end of the screen, because that's a full methodology video of the video. Understand the methodology before you are just seeing example videos like this. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on this other video. Peace.